Hi everyone, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove live wallpaper on Windows 11 laptop. Before that, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification to keep updated about this channel. So let's get started. If you have installed live wallpaper and want to revert to the default wallpaper, the method is very easy. Please refer to this video tutorial until it is finished. Please point the cursor to the taskbar. Then, right-click on the mouse. After that, click Task Manager. Then, here will be seen all the applications that have been installed and applications that have been opened. Then, scroll down to find the Lively Wallpaper application, or you can also type it in the search bar. Okay, if you have found it, click on the application, then right-click on the mouse, and you can click End Task. Now, we can close the application. And the result is that the wallpaper on the laptop has returned to the default wallpaper. So, now you don't need to be confused because this method is quite easy to practice. I think that's enough for this tutorial. Good luck and see you in the next video. Bye!